Hey guys, I'm Patty, and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a death by chocolate trifle. So, there's 3 parts to a trifle. I'm going to be making the cake, some whipped cream, whipped topping, well whipped cream, because mine, I'm not, or you can use the Cool Whip, and some chocolate pudding, not homemade, instant. The first thing I'm doing is I'm going to make the cake. I'm using a devil's food cake. How appropriate on Sunday. I'm preheating my oven to 350. And I'm spraying this. This is the one with flour. Like Baker's Joy, but Pam version. And I'm not, you know how whenever you make a cake mix, you can add stuff to make it better, richer, whatever. I'm not doing all that for this because there's so much goodness on top of this trifle that it doesn't matter, and it calls for the cake mix, half a cup of oil, and 1 cup of water. Hold on, I need to. Whoops, I guess I can do it in here. And 3 eggs. And you know, I don't usually ever bust my eggs directly into the mix because you might get a shell in it, or it might be something gross in the egg. Believe me, I worked at Waffle House for 10 years and I had that happen several times. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this up and get it in the oven, and then I'm going to take it out and let it cool before we bring you into the next step. You know, this would work better if my husband had plugged it up. Y'all see how, y'all know how my life is. Y'all just don't understand. The man's crazy.
That wasn't part of my job description.
Your job description, whatever I tell you.
Oh.
When I say get the KitchenAid out, I mean plug it up. I do want to scrape down. I noticed one time, the last time I made the bottom, didn't get mixed up very well. Okay, blend this up for 2 minutes. Hope everybody's doing good. It's Sunday, August the 2nd here, and tonight and tomorrow we're battening down our hatches for a hurricane. Hurricane is whatever his name is. But he was dropped down to a tropical storm. But it said it might strengthen up. And to my folks in Florida, Mary, you especially, y'all be safe. This house was built in 1945 and it survived a lot, but I have a lot of big trees. But you know, we survived that tornado we had. So, I'm excited. I haven't made this in years. It is death by chocolate. The last time I did make it, though, I used Hershey'c instant pudding, and I don't have that now. I've just got some great, but you know what?
You're just bound and determined to get that all over that thing, aren't you?
What are you talking about?
Just looping it here and here.
I ain't worried about that.
Ew.
Anyway, I think Walmart needs to pay me. Oh, crap.
See?
Because I advertise a lot of their foods. I use a lot of great value stuff. And I'm doing it in 9 by 13. Quit licking it! You wait till I turn the beaters on for you to lick it.
No. But you see, I'm doing
Are you even
this.
watching me?
I'm doing this off camera. Yeah, the camera is aimed at the pan, watching you pour it in there. While I'm over here licking this thing. See, that's all the off-camera action.
Alright, the directions say 34 to 38 minutes. So we'll bring y'all back when this is done. I'm just going to cool it in the pan to make it easier to cut it up. And we'll bring you back after it cools for the next step. See you in a minute or shortly.
4 hours.
Alright guys, I'm back. Our cake is done and look, a rat got in it and ate a piece of it. I think that rat's name was me. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make my chocolate pudding. I am making 2, but believe me, whatever's left, we'll get. And I'm just using instant chocolate pudding.
That didn't get on camera.
What?
The box.
Here's the darn box. Since we got... I'm allowed you out what you're doing, you little pervert. Since we got this camera, he doesn't put any effort into it anymore. Like he's lost all hope.
Give up chasing you with the foodstuffs. I focus on the one thing that's getting done.
We're having a nice dinner today. We're having oven fried chicken, squash and onions. I think I'm going to make gravy instead of the mashed potatoes. I don't feel like cooking too much more. And I hope I can do this. This is usually a job for me. And then I could get the mixer out, but I already got the big one out. Excuse you. Did you feed Nikita? Alright. I would have Tony come over and do it, but he's half naked. He doesn't go anywhere on the weekend. He did go yesterday morning and change the oil in the car. But after that, that's all she wrote. Alright, I'm gonna let this set up more if it needs it. Please don't fall in there. Oh my God, he took trash out. Lord have mercy. Miracles never ever cease. Did you plug it in? Of course not. Gosh, now we're gonna make our whipped cream. Hold on a minute. As I said, this is Death by Chocolate Trifle, so we're going to make chocolate whipped cream as well. We've got to be able to get this open. Now I do have the special dark.
Now we're going over to the mixer now, so we was.
Where the heck else you think we would be?
I had to steer it.
I'm gonna add a dab of vanilla, some sugar, and a little bit of cocoa powder. And so this doesn't get everywhere. Now we're going to beat this up. Oh yeah, that's good. Here's my Trifle bowl. I've had this bowl for years and it's only been used for two things. Trifle and junk. Beat it to death so it comes out like butter, but we are going to whip it good. Start cutting my cake. You can tear it too, but nothing needs to be perfect about these pieces. Oh look. Damn it. Oh yeah. None of that tastes like. And that's what's quick. Nope, not ready yet. Not much longer though. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Okay, I tasted it. That's really good. And I need another spoon. I am going to start out with a little layer cream. Next I'm going to throw some cake pieces in here, and yeah, that little piece that rat took told me it was really good. But we're going to make it even better. I feel my blood sugar really rising, so I know I need to take a really nice shot to take. Oh, hush, Nikita. That's the whiniest dog. Swears like she's in pain 24/7, and she just needs picked up or whining because she needs fed again, because Lord knows that's my dog. She loves to eat. There's going to be a little bit of... Oh, I need you to go get that chocolate bar out. It's in the freezer, in the little freezer. I sent him on an errand. That's one advantage with him not having to hold the little tripod. He's able to run and do stuff. I need the potato peeler. And as you see, we have a bunch of cake left. That's good.
Got the right one.
Doesn't matter. I'm probably gonna mess it up anyway. I got a Hershey'c bar that I stuck in the freezer, and I'm gonna attempt to shave. I don't think I'm doing it well, but I'm not shaving, but it's actually it is shaving. I'm not making curls. I'm making a mess, that's for sure. Alright guys, I'm not going to plate this up yet. I'm going to cover it loosely with some saran wrap. And then we'll bring you back when we plate it up. Be back shortly. Alright guys, sorry. It is Monday evening here. We ate yesterday, and the dinner was so good we didn't even get into this. But we're going to cut into this today, because guess who didn't cook? Oh, look at that juiciness. I just took a shot, so... Alright guys, there is our Death by Chocolate Trifle. I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. And leave me a comment. Let me know your favorite trifle. And share this out on social media and give me a big thumbs up. Alright guys, dessert's ready. See y'all soon.